Hello, and today I'm going to show you my Nepenthes and insect-eating plants. So these here are sundews, beautiful. They look like flowers, as you can see. This is my one Sarracena and a few sundews. My big Nepenthes, well, Sarracenas are here with a few Venus flytraps at the bottom. And here's my little Venus flytrap. Now, the Nepenthes is here. Here's a new sproutling. And just here. That one's dead. That one's okay, a little. This one is dead. Don't know why there's a lot of spider webs. That's the problem. It's hanging under a mango tree, so yeah, please comment, subscribe. If you want more plants, just comment and tell me. Bye.